What do you reckon? Should I show them the thing?
What thing?
The thing.
I don't know, what thing?
The thing! The thing would be working!
Sure, show them the thing. Go for it. I don't know what thing it is, but go for it. Show them the thing.
It's been quiet, but we haven't been sitting on our hands.
No, not exactly.
Nah, we got ourselves a fancy new logo.
Yes.
It's all new, and that's the one we're going to stick with. The one that we've been using previously, it's been good. It's served us well, but we were never going to keep it forever.
No,
It was
fast
here.
to choose by
It was here for a good time, not a long time.
No.
But as they all are on there.
No, I'm real happy with the new logo. It's cool.
Yeah. So it's been, because we don't know what the hell we're doing, but you know.
You already knew that.
Yeah, that's it. So that's it. We've rebranded. We sort of decided to get something that's ours, actually ours, and yeah, we're super stoked with it.
Yeah, let us know what you think of it in the comments, man.
Yeah, please do. So we're not going to change it. Don't get me wrong.
If you don't like it,
you can get it out. Oh, dude. Well, it's time. It's time to lay some paint.
Yeah, man.
You got all your gear, and
no idea.
No, that's right. So we've got what we now refer to as the bomb cart.
Yeah, that's it.
The bomb cart over here, because if you did any of your metalwork near that, we'd have a problem.
Yeah, any normal shed activities for me, if that's in here, that's a bomb. So
that's it.
That gets wheeled out every time.
So we've made ourselves a bit of an impromptu booth.
Yep.
Probably not ideal.
Definitely
but,
not ideal.
It's what we got.
Yep.
And you can only play with the hand that you dealt.
Yep.
So we're going to give that a crack. This is your first time painting. I mean,
ever.
You've held a paint gun.
I've sprayed, back in my apprenticeship, I've sprayed truck parts and stuff like that. So I mean, I think enamel is what it was, or acrylic, one of them. Put a bit of thinners in it and spray it on, and all the runs go on. It doesn't matter because it's for heavy transport. But yeah, so this will be the first time I've literally ever sprayed this sort of paint on a car. But whatever, man, we're just moving forward. It'll turn out how it turns out, and we're just going to keep on moving. So. Yeah,
that's it. Previous to this, you've gone through and you've rubbed back all of the primer. You put like your guide coat on.
Yeah, I've done the body work.
Yeah.
Part of it. So and there's heaps of stuff that I've left that I could go on for another bloody month, going crazy with it, but I'll leave that for next time. Honestly, when I do the whole car, I'll go back through and fix all the stuff I'm not happy with. Just it's good enough for now. I think I've gone probably further than what most would, honestly. So at a glance, it should look pretty good. Yeah, man. So I guess now it's just time to start mixing up some jam and spray it on,
lay it on. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, man. What could go wrong, Jeff?
Oh, I can't foresee anything. I'll tell you what, that is different to primer.
Very. This is full.
Whoa.
I hate to say it because it's lame, but this is weird. I just went full send, didn't hardly test the gun, fucking nothing like that. So I don't know, man. We'll see how we go.
Yeah.
I'm sick of waiting, man. I've waited weeks. Weather's crap.
Yeah, the weather's turning as well.
Yeah. I'm supposed to be going out for dinner in like 45 minutes. One coat in.
Yeah, I was meant to be home an hour ago.
Yeah. Oh well. We're trying to get it done.
Well, he put a thumbprint in it. Put a big, dirty thumbprint in it.
Can't do that, eh? Can't do it.
There'd be no denying it's yours.
This is going to turn out rough, boy.
She'll be right. Lay it on thick, buff it back. Man, you can't see shit in here. What's your thoughts there, homie?
Bit of a fail.
Bit of a fail? Oh, look. Laid on alright.
Yeah, it went on alright, but we're going to have to learn why all those spots come through, like everywhere. I don't know if it's a process we've done somewhere, but
Yeah, I don't know.
it's not good.
I had a little bit of a look. There was a little bit of crap in the paint, not a hell of a lot. But yeah, on the rad support there.
Which was the main thing I wanted good. I wanted it to look respectful, and it's just blotchy and screwed.
Yeah, it's got a couple of spots in it. So, what's your thoughts? Are you gonna leave it to dry and scuff it, or?
Yeah, I'm not gonna hit it again because I can't. I don't know. Do you reckon I should hit it again? I don't know.
Well, I don't know. Well and truly out of our depth here.
Yeah.
The logic to me would say let it dry and then we'll
it's not
scuff
going
it.
good on the thing, and it's going to keep doing it. So I might even have to I don't know, maybe reprime that or seal it with something, or like where it keeps doing that. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, well, I guess for now we'll clean the gear up and we'll get back with you soon. We've had a minute to cool down.
It ain't that bad, man.
Nah, it's not.
I mean, it's bad, but I'm not reacting like I normally would over something this bad.
It's not bad, but it's also not good enough.
Yeah. It's hard. It's not hard to explain, but we're on a time crunch here. I ended up, I'll probably, if I had a bit more time, in the foreseeable future, I would have left it and had more time, taken my time, but it still would have ended up in this result, I think, in the end, which is shit in the paint.
Which is, so we thought it was all low spots. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up, but you can see it there in the light. There's just a bunch
Who would have thought a dusty old
oily
shop would have had too much dust in there? But
dust and lint, and this side's probably a little bit worse. Yeah, you can see. Which is, like you said before, the radiator support was the one spot that you really wanted it to be nice.
We'll see, man. Let it dry, and we'll just do the denib on it and just see. Like, honestly, it's going to get done again. I keep saying it. I'm not lying. It will get done again. Yeah. Considering I didn't even do any testing or anything, like, even though our good friend Rob, thanks for the tip, Rob, told me to test it. In the end, I honestly just plugged it in and just started going for it. So
yeah. Look, these these towers and that,
They're
like,
not great. There's crap in them, but they're not.
oh man, I think they're pretty good. You could denib those easily enough. They've come up nice and glossy and smooth. Like there's no major orange peel or anything. You went on a little jog. It's not a full run. It's just a little jog. Just went a little jog over here.
Yeah.
But you know, that's in an easy spot to rectify as well. The rest, like the firewall and all that, that's come up pretty nice.
Yeah,
Man.
that's looking at it in this shed that's not really very well lit. Once we roll it out into the sun afterwards, I'm sure that'll tell the truth as far as if there's any dry spots or just primer. Like, I think one thing I've learnt, and any of you guys that paint professionally, is it not a good idea to put white paint on white primer? I think maybe I should have done a grey or something like that, so I could actually see what the hell I was doing. That did suck a little bit. I was sort of just spraying and praying, but look, we're moving forward, and we're going to be getting an engine in here soon, hopefully.
That's it.
K-frame. I'm picking the K-frame up tomorrow. That's at the powder coaters. So satin black K-frame can go in as soon as we've finished making a mess here and just start moving forward. So.
Yeah, man. Well, I think because there's going to be a bit of a hiatus now, we both got to get back to work.
Yeah.
There's going to be a little bit of time between now and when we get back to doing that top coat. I was undecided whether I'd do this in one episode or two. I think I'm just going to call it here, and we'll do another episode. We'll pick up on it later, but this one will just be a short, quick update. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks to all the guys that joined in on our Instagram live stream.
That was today. That was really good.
Yeah,
Something
that's
different.
it. Yeah, we had a great time. So make sure you jump on our Facebook and our Instagram, because sometimes we share some stuff on there that you see before YouTube or whatever. So
that you wouldn't have seen already.
yeah, that's it. So while we were in there sanding, we jumped on the live stream, and yeah, we had a great time. So
yeah.
Oh,
That's it, man.
yeah, that's
I've got to
it.
go to dinner. I'm already late. My wife's gone. Gotta get out of here.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, we'll come back with another update. Keep your eyes peeled for some exciting news coming up. If you weren't on the live stream, then you won't know yet. And we'll catch you around. Thanks, guys.
What thing?
The new logo.
Oh yeah. Well, you got to give me the heads up, can't I?
Nah, because that was way better.
Are you going to keep it? Was that good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That's fine.